Which term best defines the word trails as it is used in paragraph 2 of the passage? A. Channels, B. Paths, C. Cues, or D. Tails? Let's begin by locating the context in which trails is mentioned in paragraph 2. We see this in the second sentence, which tells us that my colleague Kristen Rogers did some exploring of her own and made discoveries about where the nature and happiness trails meet. The author is playing with words a bit here, as they describe the two trails meeting, with one being literal, a hiking trail, and the other one being metaphorical, the trail to happiness. That being said, channels doesn't fit here, as while it can technically be a synonym to trails, it usually is used more in the contexts of referring to water or technology. Cues as well doesn't fit, as a cue implies a line of people waiting for something. Choice D, tails, isn't even a synonym, it just sounds similar to trails. We are left with choice B, paths, which fits perfectly in this context of referring either to a hiking path or the path to happiness, and can therefore be marked as our final answer.